Missing Fiori permissions during a go-live can slow down important processes. An efficient, fast, and secure SAP Emergency Access Management process to request additional Fiori access is therefore needed. In this video, you'll see how our solution, Xiting Authorization Management Suite, short XAMS, empowers users to request and activate Fiori access on their own, all while ensuring full compliance and control for a smooth SAP go-live. During an SAP go-live and the following hypercare phase, users may face authorization issues, particularly when additional Fiori permissions are needed. That's why XAMS provides a self-service function in the Xiting Times module, allowing users to request extra SAP and Fiori permissions. Authorized users can temporarily access additional Fiori tiles that would normally be unavailable to them. Now let's look at how this works in the SAP system. To activate the additional Fiori authorizations, a Xiting Times session can be requested by using the Xiting Times Protected Go Live app. The required Protected Go Live reference user is already set up in SAP with all necessary permissions and maintained in the Xiting Times customizing. Therefore, when requesting a Xiting Times Protected Go Live session, only the reason for the request is needed. After submitting the request and refreshing the Fiori Launchpad, the user can navigate to the new Protected Go Live space and start the required tiles to continue their work. If the session is not manually terminated beforehand, it will automatically expire after the time defined in the Xiting Times customizing, and the extended access rights will be revoked. When a Xiting Times session is requested, the additional permissions are technically granted by assigning a reference user for the specified period. To ensure that the role assignments of the reference user are also respected in the Fiori Launchpad, it is essential to set the parameter refus NWBC in table SSM cust to yes. This ensures that the additional Fiori apps and objects, such as business catalogs or spaces, can be used once the Protected Go Live session has been requested via Xiting Times. Let's briefly review the key takeaways. Make sure the parameter refuse NWBC in table SSM cust is set to yes. Ensure the emergency user has the necessary extended access rights in the Fiori Launchpad. When required, temporary extended Fiori access can be quickly and securely activated by using the Xiting Times Protected Go Live app. Thank you for watching. Would you like to find out more? Check out our video channel on our homepage or feel free to contact us. We will get back to you soon.